Rgti is one of the stocks in the move as we count down, or rather, we've just counted down to the end of the last full trading week of 2024. Rgti gained 10% or thereabout. It was the most active. It is the most active stock of this session today. That is today, the 27th of December 2024. This is its hourly chart. We have some projections here. For some reason, I've never been able to get these figures above here, so it should be something close to $19 or thereabouts. So I think up this way as well. We have it's still up, still pretty much $19 as well. And let's have a look at its 2 hour chart and see what transpired or what's in the offing. Okay, no upper projections here. There were upper projections, but they have been negated. So on this 2 hour and on the 2 hour chart, it's indicating that there's some consolidation will occur. So we might just have to jump all the way down to its 4 hour chart. Yeah, same as well, same as in the 2 hour chart, indicating that a contraction is coming in. Okay, we also have down here that the momentum is picking up as well, picking up the momentum derived from its 10 period moving average. It's picking up. It reached okay. Well, it's as things stand right now, it's losing the momentum, but it's indicating that it's going to pick up. That's what we are looking. That's what we see in this. That's what we've seen in the stock. I think the daily chart will indicate that. You can see that it's the 10 period moving average. The 10-day moving average is has continued to serve as a primary demand line. I would say of late. Yeah, I can even say all the way back in early October. At various times it drops through, but it's not just only above; it's also above and below. Picks up that momentum there. So it's just relentlessly, printing higher prices. We saw it print on its. We saw it pivot from its 10 period moving average, 10-day moving average on the 20. That is exactly 1 week ago. So this is four straight sessions of gains for our GTI. There's a good chance in the company in the next session it might pull back, and there's also a very good chance that this 10 period moving average, or rather this the extrapolation for its of this 10-day moving average will also catch it. But as things stand right now, momentum is. Momentum is forecasted is forecasted to weaken, and that's we lost some steam, even though it's printed higher prices, but it has lost some steam. It has actually done better than that in terms of momentum than it did of late. Let's see, RGTI computing stock is tracking towards a record high again. Quantum computing stocks heat up. RGTI unbelievable surge tops 2024 market highlights. Let's see what they're saying here. Quantum computing stocks. Okay, early trading Friday, more than 10%, capping an amazing run in quantum computing stocks and attracting ongoing heightened investor interest. Following the bomb, the stock's now up 1,640% for the past 6 months, though it reports only $2.4 million in income in its most recent quarter. Rigetti shares have surged 140% over the past 5 sessions and 640% in the last month, driving the business to a whopping 4.3 billion valuation, along with quantum computing. QBT, which dropped 4.7% Friday. Rigetti's explosive climb has positioned it as one of the most explosive stocks to wrap up the year. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. The next one is QSI. Let's see, we might have a similar pattern as well. QSI. Sorry about that. So QSI, we have does it pivot? Does the 10 period moving average serve as a primary demand line? Not yeah, actually it did. It has been it did it was it's actually been doing so all the way back in November, from November. We saw it pivot from its 10 period moving average at least three times. But of late, the last pivot we saw, the last decline we saw it broke through that the 10 and 21 period moving averages, 10 day, 21 and 10-day moving averages, but getting support from its 200-day moving average and spiking relentlessly through projections of 3.15. So momentum is equally is projected to weaken. Yeah, momentum is still okay. Momentum is projected to continue to remain strong up till the Friday the 10th of February. Friday the 10th of February. So that will be around 2 weeks from today, and after that, it's expected to weaken. So QSI, one of those quantum competing stocks on the move. This is his daily chart. So it actually has actually printed higher prices than this. Let's see whether we can see anything higher. Yeah, it has actually. It's actually showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. This is something. This is $21. This was okay all the way back in 2021. So yeah, it's trying to recover the losses it has accumulated over the years. Sorry. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Next one is INTZ. INTZ equally showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. Gained 380%. Okay, 380%. Let's see whether we can find the news behind this. Street View Capital reports 9.8% stake in Intrusion. Lantronix completes strategic buyout of DZX Netcom IoT portfolio. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, let's see. Despite the demand for networking products, fact favoring prospects of prominent industry players like Extreme. Okay, so there's something increasing focus on cloud computing, network security, big data, and cloud storage is expected to boost the ZAC computer networking industry participants' performance amid the rapid proliferation of AI technology. Players in the space are focused on capitalizing on the multi-billion-dollar AI infrastructure opportunity. The accelerated deployment of 5G is driving the proliferation of IoT, advanced driver assistance systems, augmented reality, virtual reality devices, and 5G smartphones, calling for solid networking infrastructure. The Wi-Fi 7 upgrade cycle will also act as a catalyst. The demand for networking products favoring prospects for prominent industry players like Extreme Networks Inc., EXTR, Net Scout Systems, NTCT, and Intrusion. Okay, that's why we saw what we saw with INTZ Intrusion Inc. Do we have other stocks that are that were mentioned there? We don't have them. We don't have EXTR here and NTCT. Okay, so at least we'll just make do with INTZ. Yeah, broke through the resistance from its 10 200 moving average. Momentum is forecasted to remain strong up till Thursday the 9th of up to Friday the 10th of January, and after that we're expecting to see weakness. So let's see whether we can find the upper projections for INT INTZ. Let's look at the one hour chart. Do we have? Yeah, we have an upper projection here. We have it has to be something more than $3 or thereabouts. Yeah, something okay, not up to that. Some $2 and some fraction, and it's a 1 hour chart. Let's see whether we can find something else. Yeah, we still have something here. We have maybe something close to 2.7 or thereabout. Let's see, 3 hour chart. Let's see what we have here. Upper projection, pretty similar projections, on these hourly charts. But let's quickly have a look at its 4 hour chart. Let's see. No projection here. No upper projection here. We can have a look at its 30-minute chart. We might see something here. There is as well. I think same as well. Similar projection. Something maybe around 2.7 or thereabouts. So yeah, you get it. You get what you get. What is being projected here. Let's see. Come down all the way down to the 1 day chart. So we can quickly have a look at its weekly chart. We might see interesting things here on the weekly chart. Yeah, no upper projections, nothing. Just strength is still forecasted to remain intact. And let's see, 10th of March, the 3rd of momentum is expected to remain intact up till Monday, the 24th of February 2025. Okay, so Intrusion, a stock to watch. Okay, let's see. Let's come down to the 1 hour chart and move on to the next one. NVDA. Sorry about that. NVIDIA gained, it lost 2.09%. Yeah, let's see. There's a down projection of 125.37. What are the odds that that can print? But outside that, we have a projection of 14845, 1519, 15195, and they even go higher than that. They go higher than that. Let's see what the news is saying. Mega caps drag equity markets lower. Okay, let's see what's going on here in the broader market. Okay, okay, so let's move on to the next one. Next one is LAES. It gained 3.65%. Is it a competing stock? 10 period moving average, 10 day moving average served as a primary demand line at some point, but we have projections going up. No, we don't have any projections going up anyway or anything like that. So let's see why it's okay. Regains compliance. Okay, regains compliance with Nasdaq. But the strength has been intact since I would say since Tuesday the 10th of December. It's been showing a lot of strength. Yeah, let's see whether we can find any upper projections here. This is the 1 hour chart. Yeah, we have some projections here. We have around 10.7 dollars or thereabouts, and they go all the way towards I would say maybe up to $11 or thereabouts on the 1 hour chart for LAES. Let's see the 1 hour chart, the 4 hour chart. There are no upper projections here. Okay, momentum is projected to keep dropping. Projected to keep dropping. Okay, let's look at LITM. LITM all ran up a gain of 81.8%. Okay, broke through an upper projection of 0.7296. showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. Let's go to 1 hour chart and see. Okay, we don't have any upper projections here. The 1 hour chart. Snow Lake, let's see. Snow Lake Resources extends gains pre-market after securing funding to continue 2025 exploration programs. Okay, it's a lithium stock. Okay, there's an upper projection here of $1.63. Okay, let's look at QBST, one of those QBTS, one of those quantum computing stocks. Okay, so it's just right on its upper projection of 10.26 or thereabouts. So it's gained 0.19%. Momentum is ebbing. Momentum is dissipating. It's projected to weaken, and it's projected to weaken and remain like that up till Wednesday, the 29th of February. Up to Wednesday, the 24th of February. Okay, D wave is not projected to keep showing strength. Okay, let's see. Let's look at the 1 hour chart and see. Okay, we have upper projections all the way towards $11 and some fraction on the 1 hour chart. In 2 hour chart, we have 10.88. So $11 and some fraction. I think $11 and fraction, some fraction is just as we saw in the 1 hour chart. We have upper projection of 10.79. Still can't see anything. Okay, want to see the upper projections here. For our chart, let's see. Projections go, I think, all the way towards $11 and some fraction as well. Okay, let's look at SES. Okay, ran up again of 68.31%, broke through an upper projection of 0.8709. One of the pre-market gainers. SES AI Corp, 10% owner. SK sells over 726,000 shares. It wasn't today, some time ago, a few days ago. Okay, let's look at its 1 hour chart and see. Okay, there are no upper projections here. 2 hour chart, let's see. Momentum is expected to creeping. It has us. It's already losing the momentum according to, yeah. It's already losing momentum. So, and that's expected to continue like that up till Friday, up till Tuesday date at first. But this is its 2 hour chart. Okay, let's come back to the daily chart, and okay, let's move on to LCID, Lucid. LCID, okay, so it's been showing some strength, rebounding from the lows of 1.99 it printed on the 15th of November. Gradually, you know, yeah, but as things stand right now, its momentum has reached its peak. It seems down 3.03% today in today's session. So momentum is expected to remain in place up till Wednesday, the 15th of January, and after that, it may it's projected to pick up momentum again. So there's a contraction, maybe there's a contraction of this rebound, there's a contraction of the volatility that is associated with the strength he has shown. I saw it print all the way towards 3.31. So this is that contraction is being forecasted with the interplay of the extrapolation of its 10 and 21 day moving averages. You can see that they are projected to come and contract. So the price of the stock is projected to come into this sort of range, come into this sort of range, and yeah, I think that's what's projected. Maybe after that, we might see just as the momentum is indicator is indicating after that, maybe from sometime in the middle of January, then you might begin to see more expansion for Lucid. Okay, let's move on to Tesla. Yeah, just as it is with Lucid, contraction is there as well. So yes, momentum is expected to continue to drop off up till Friday, up to Tuesday, the 14th of January, and after that, it's expected to pick up. So the contraction is already in effect as it concerns Tesla, and let's see. Yeah, it will continue to take place. It's already to continue to take place. We don't know projections here. We might have a look at its 4 hour charts. Might give us some indication. Yeah, we have 464.88, 473.08. But there are downward projections as well. We have 42595, 41735. Okay, yeah. So see what you make of all of these stocks, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.